how to make it more sustainable. Not only just recycling, but we want to make it more even like upcycled, so it has another art value in it.
Beautiful day in Bali. I mean, I don't think it gets any better than this. This is absolutely gorgeous. As we, the family came down, a festival going on here, and we decided to walk around, and we ran into Ariz from Kultara, and hopefully I said that right.
Yeah, that's correct.
I've been working on it. What beach are we on, Ariz? What's the name of this beach?
So we are in Mertasari, it's located in Sanur.
Kultara is this incredible company, but I'm going to have you describe it. This came out of the pandemic, right? Why did you create this company?
So we established during the pandemic because we saw the problems coming from the local artisans here, because Bali is very popular with the arts, and mostly the artisans during the pandemic, they cannot produce any products at all because they don't have any market at all. It's dying during the pandemic, and we see the potential where they actually can transfer their knowledge and teach the tourists in Bali.
It's a very touristy things here to do, obviously. A lot of tourists come here, but you know, Ariz wants to take you off the beaten path. He wants you to see the small business owner and what they do, and this is exactly how you can do it. So please, Ariz, let us know here. And there's two good things going on here, folks. One is connecting you with the local artisans. Number two is he is upcycling. So I want you to describe some of these products and what we have here today.
So one of the example is this fabrics. So this is fully handmade, and the process to make this one fabric will take like around 2 to 3 months. And then for the coloring itself, it will take 1 month, and also it's all natural colorings.
Labor of love. It's a labor of love. This is, I mean, this is stuff that's not produced like in 15 or 20 minutes or in a factory. This is handmade stuff, which makes it even that much more special.
And we also have the class actually. Maybe people will, if they see the price, they will say that it will be it's very expensive. That's why we offer them the experience to create by themselves. So once they join the class, they will think that, my God, it's very difficult and challenging, so it's worth it with the price. That's the thing.
Well, very cool. You have this stuff here. I want you to take me over here, which just stood out to me because when you come to Bali, there are temples everywhere, and they are so proud of their tradition and the culture that you see a lot of flowers all over on display. What are you doing with these flowers?
Okay, so actually, these basic flowers are being used daily by the Balinese people to pray to the gods and make it as an offering to them. But instead of it just being an offering, we want to add the value of the flowers to make it to be like an eco-printing flowers. So not only Balinese who can use the flowers, like all of us around the world can use the flowers into an art, and then they can use a very simple technique using the pounding technique. So they will pound the color, and then the color will be naturally printed on the fabrics. And we need to use this natural fabric as well. We cannot use the plastic. So it will also educate people at the end of the day to use and to bring their own tote bag whenever they go shopping. So they're no longer using any plastic bag in Bali, hopefully.
I love what you're saying here, and we're going to talk about that right now because upcycling is the other part of your organization. When did you decide to start incorporating recycled goods into the artistry?
So when we see the problem, actually there's so many trays in Bali, like the plastic and plastic bottle, and we try to come up that how to make it more sustainable. Not only just recycling, but we want to make it more even like upcycled, so it has another art value in it.
We noticed that too. It's one of the things that stands out to you in some of these areas, and it's really kind of heartbreaking. It's such a beautiful island, but you see it, but Ariz is doing something about it, which is amazing. So I want you to continue here. So our daughter Everly, she knew we were going to be upcycling and creating some gifts today, so she was drawn to the plastic. Can you please let people know how some of this is upcycled plastic?
So actually, this whole product here is using upcycled bottle and also plastic. If you can see, this one, something
Yes.
like a paper. So actually, it's a combination of like a mosaic of the plastic. There are so many.
Plastic bag.
This
These are
plastic bag,
bags.
yeah, it has so many colors coming from a different plastic bags that we try to iron them into one, and then Tara becomes a new paper that we can use and make it to be like jewelry, something like this, like an earring.
Oh, it's
So
beautiful.
actually, it's coming from plastic bag.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
That's amazing.
Yeah, it
And then
has another value.
Then you melted some. Did you melt
And this,
these?
the melted one is coming from the plastic bottle that we try to melt it and form it into new shape that can be suitable more into like a jewelry.
Yep. What are you doing to tell people to help them change their ways and try to help turn things around here on Bali when it comes to upcycling?
So actually, we do not tell them how they should act, but we just give them the experience, and then by having the knowledge from the experience, they can apply the skill in their own home, because it's very easy actually. It's just because they don't know before how to do it. After they know it, hopefully they can just do it by themselves. Yeah.
No set store for you to have people come to, but you go to festivals, you get hired out to places like this.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? So
Yeah.
you're all over the place. You're very nomadic.
Yeah, very nomadic. That's how we come to any place, because if we just stuck in one studio, because maybe it's a perspective of people when they come, if they want to learn art, they need to come to an art studio,
Yep.
which is very formal. And sometimes they think I'm not an artistic person.
Yes.
So that's why
A
we
little intimidated.
yeah, very
Yeah.
intimidating. So that's why we come to any places like with this kind of ambient, going to the beach, just enjoy by doing the art. So art could be for anyone at the end.
What does Kultara mean?
Kultara means Kultur Nusantara. Kultur in English means culture. Nusantara means archipelago, to represent us in Indonesia.
That's absolutely beautiful. As a guy with a speaker walks by here, there's a lot happening. Also, I want you to tell people, how can they find you, Ariz? How can people find you when they want to come to Bali and they want that really cultural experience that they normally can't find?
Okay, so actually you can go to our social media. Mostly we are using Instagram here. You can go to @kultara.id, and then you can just contact us and search all of the programs that we have over there. And it's very customizable. We also can come to your place.
Again, I said he's nomadic. So he is using possibility and creativity to create a little bit of tranquility here on Bali. Ariz, well done. You're
Thank
doing
you so
something
much.
very important
Thank you
for
so
not
much.
only this island, but for really for the world. You're setting a wonderful example. It's such a pleasure to meet you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your appreciation.
From Bali to beyond, subscribe and discover the world with us, one story at a time. This is Frenchitivity.